Gassed piston compressors are used in a variety of applications and provide years of reliable service. Proper preventative maintenance procedures using genuine gassed replacement parts eliminates unplanned downtime, avoids costly repairs, and provides trouble-free performance. By following the step-by-step instructions in this video, the recommended maintenance procedures for this product are simple for anyone to conduct. Additionally, Gassed has a network of authorized service centers that can conduct the recommended maintenance as well as more in-depth service procedures on your products if necessary. Before starting the recommended maintenance on your product, contact your local Gassed distributor with the model number and to request the appropriate service parts that fit your unit. A list of Gassed distributors and authorized service centers can be found on the Gassed manufacturing website. Before conducting any maintenance on your Gassed product, make sure that it has been properly isolated from the electrical power supply and that the air pressure in the system has been relieved. Always wear suitable clothing, eye protection, and safety shoes when servicing your product. Refer to the Gassed Operation and Maintenance Manual for detailed safety instructions. While this video covers the preventive maintenance procedures for the Gassed 5HCD piston compressor, the procedures are similar for all Gassed piston compressors. You'll need a few tools to perform this maintenance: a 3/4 inch open wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 3/16 inch Allen wrench, a straight edge, a torque wrench, and Loctite 569. Let's get started. Lay the pump on its feet. Using a 3/4 inch open-ended wrench, loosen the brass fittings on the crossover manifolds. Loosen the shroud screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, carefully remove the head and bolts together, as this will maintain correct orientation of the valves and gaskets. Carefully set aside the remaining assembly. Use the 3/16 Allen wrench to loosen head bolts. Using the 3/16 Allen wrench, loosen the cylinder bolts and remove the cylinders. Rider rings guide the rod assembly through the cylinder bore and prevent the rod from striking the cylinder. The piston rings maintain compression, maximizing performance and minimizing air loss. Remove the rider ring, the piston rings and seals, and the expansion rings, and replace them with new rings and seals that are provided in the service kit. Reinstall the cylinders, taking care to leave the bolts loose. Turn the fan so that the pistons are all the way out to top dead center. Pull out on the cylinders and snug the bolts. Check the piston clearance with a straight edge and rotate the fan to make sure the piston is not hitting the straight edge. If it is not, torque the bolts to 160 inch-pounds. Replace the gaskets and reinstall the head and leave the bolts loose. Replace the sleeves on the crossover tube and use Loctite thread sealant on the crossover connecting tube fittings. Reinstall the fittings and tighten them a 1/4 turn past finger tight. Torque the head bolts to 160 inch-pounds. Plugged filters restrict inlet airflow and increase the operating temperature of the unit, which can reduce life expectancy. So remove the filter caps and replace the felt filter elements that are included in the kit, and replace the caps. Reinstall the fan shroud. Your Gassed piston compressor is now ready to be put back into service. Like any high-performance equipment, regular service and the use of genuine parts are essential to keeping your Gassed piston compressor running at its optimal performance. Thank you for choosing Gassed products. For more information, visit www.gassedmfg.com.